Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide for homeownership and estate planning. We're committed to enlightening you about the complexities of property ownership and estate planning. On today's agenda, we delve into the importance of having a trust. But before we do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. One significant reason to consider having a trust is asset protection. Trusts act as a shield, keeping your assets safe from potential creditors, lawsuits, and the financial complexities of divorce. It's like having a personal financial bodyguard, always on duty, ensuring your hard-earned assets are secure. This security brings peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, rather than worrying about potential threats to your wealth. With a trust, your assets are not just yours, they're protected. Avoiding probate is another compelling reason to have a trust. Trusts can help you sidestep the often time-consuming and costly process of probate. This comes in handy, especially when you're dealing with the transfer of assets upon death. Instead of getting entangled in legal procedures, your assets can be transferred efficiently and privately. No public records, no delays, just a seamless transfer. A trust, in essence, bypasses the red tape, making the transition smoother for your loved ones. The third reason, and perhaps the most appealing, is the control a trust offers. With a trust, you have the power to dictate how, when, and to whom your assets are distributed. This control is particularly beneficial when you have minor children or family members with special needs. It ensures your wealth is utilized in a manner you deem fit, safeguarding their future and maintaining your legacy. No other estate planning tool offers such precision and control. A trust gives you control even from beyond the grave. In summary, having a trust offers asset protection, helps avoid probate, and provides control over your assets. It's a key consideration in estate planning, offering peace of mind and financial security. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more content from HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide to homeownership and estate planning.